Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh man, he's a strong fish. Oh man. Jeez. Oh, this could be bad. Can't have him go in there. Looks like I'm chasing after him.
Hey, good morning. Headed down a country road in the high desert of Washington, looking for some trout, specifically red-band trout, one of the two species that are native to Washington State. And I'm just looking for some small creek fishing today. Got a couple of blue lines mapped out on the map and gonna see if there's any water holding and hopefully find us some fish. Just love fishing out here in the desert. It's just a unique fishery, and especially these really small creeks are just super fun. All right, well, thanks for joining me today. Can't wait to get out there and do a little fly fishing. All right, everybody, I'll see you on the creek. I tell you, there's just nothing better than getting into the Jeep and just driving out here in the middle of nowhere. Just farmlands as far as the eye can see. Just beautiful. I love these stretches of dirt roads and just open skies. I just absolutely love it. But this creek sure does look promising. Let's hope we catch a fish. All right, let's get in there. Let's do this fish on. Well, found a blue line. I crossed over this little creek here. It's a little colored up, but I'm gonna throw in my 5-weight in this little olive leech and see if there's any fish in here. But it looks good. A lot of water flowing, so let's see if we can go catch a fish.
Oh, fish on. Oh, he just came up and grabbed it. Oh, I wasn't even ready. Oh, this is gonna not be easy. Oh, that's a nice fish too. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh yeah, nice rainbow. Holy crap. Oh, sweet. Look at this guy. Oh, let's see if I can get down there and net it. Oh. Very nice. Okay. That's deep quick here. Somewhere I've got a net hung up in the trees. Alright. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Oh. Wow. Look at that guy. Thank God, I already unhooked, so I'm just gonna let her go. Oh, thanks for making that easy.
Wow, how cool was that? What a beautiful rainbow in this tiny little creek. This is unfreaking believable. Wow, and thank God, barbless hooks, right? Because if you look down by my feet, it just drops off to probably 4 or 5 feet deep and not something I can stand in. So got really lucky that he just popped right off. Sweet, fish on. This is what I call bushwhacking. Testing out my Sims waders. Come on, Gore-Tex. Nice little hole here.
Wow, this spot doesn't look good at all. Oh, wow. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh. Boy, he hammered it. Oh, yes. Wow. It is amazing that these size rainbows are in this tiny little creek. It's unbelievable. Wow. Sweet. Look at this guy. This beautiful fish. Wow.
I mean, seriously, this is just incredible. This tiny little creek is holding, 13 to 15 inch rainbow trout. Unbelievable. So I'm gonna keep on hiking up the stream. I'm starting to see a little dry fly action. Looks like there's like these, not sure if they're like a trico, kind of a mayfly that's falling on the creek, but I gotta keep my eyeball out on that. I've seen one fish rising on them, but yeah, I'm gonna stick with the leech. But I'm just gonna hike up a little bit further here to see if I can find some good water to fish. All right, let's get to the fish. So far, so good. Gotta love these tiny creeks and just these, I mean, they're not huge fish, but for this small of a creek, they're pretty big fish. It's amazing that this creek can sustain that size of fish. Pretty nuts. All right, see you at the next spot.
Something died. There we go. Fish on. Oh, that's a really big fish. Holy crap. Oh, there's just no room in here. Oh, this is gonna be not painful. Oh, look at this guy. Wow. Come on, get the net, get the net. Oh, wow, look at that fish. Holy shit. Holy crap. That is a big fish. Look at that guy. Wow. Holy smokes.
Oh, I am stunned. This creek is tiny. That was a 17-inch fish. Holy crap. Let's see if there's another one hiding in here.
Wow, there's just no easy way to cast in here. Oh, there we go. It's another fish. Oh, wow. Just tucked underneath that branch. Oh, he's feisty. Look at that guy. Beautiful red band. Oh, That's really a pretty fish. Keep from falling on my ass. Whoa. Where's my net? Oh, yes. Wow. Look at this beautiful native red band. Look at this thing. Just a beautiful fish. Gorgeous. All right, buddy. There we go. Fish on. Little rainbow. Nice. Almost. Let you go. Sweet. Nice little bow. There we go. Oh, that's a much bigger fish. Oh, got right at my feet. Look at this guy. Oh man, that's a beautiful fish. Oh geez, that's a big fish. Oh yes. Wow, look at that guy. Holy smokes. Look at that fish. Beautiful red band. Look at this guy. Holy smokes. That is beautiful. Wow.
So you guys enjoying this trip so far? I know I am. I cannot wait to get into the edit room and just share the story with you guys. But if you are enjoying this video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. I appreciate it. All right, as I almost trip and fall on my face, let's get back to fishing. I don't know, I'm feeling good about this next stretch. We're gonna get into some fish. All right, let's do this. Fish on.
Back to this hole where I caught a couple fish. Let's see if it's had time to maybe reset. I don't have my black leech anymore. Lost that. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh, shit. Whoa. Oh, that thing is not happy about being hooked. Oh my God. He's going to jump himself into a tree. Wow. Oh man, he's a strong fish. Oh man. Jeez. Oh, this could be bad. Can't have him go in there. Looks like I'm chasing after him. Wow. That's a big fish. Oh, shit. Oh, I don't have room. Oh, come on, buddy, work with me here. Oh, gets me in these trees. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh, come on. Come on. Holy shit. Oh, my God, look at that fish. Oh, Holy crap. That was not easy to get in. Wow, beautiful fish. Look at that. He's already unhooked. You are not going to believe the size of this fish. I cannot believe this thing lives in a creek like this. Look at this guy. Oh, yeah, he's got some spunk. Look at him. Oh my God, that was insane. I mean, did you see that thing? It almost jumped in the trees, I think, twice. I mean, that thing went airborne 5 or 6 times. Incredible fight. And then getting me caught up in this tree. It is really pretty fortunate that I was able to land that. Just a beautiful buck. Wow, beautiful fish. Let's see if there's another one sitting in there. What a great day. I mean, could there really be another fish in here? Well, that thing was massive. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm not getting that one. It wrapped a few times. Shit. Nope. I saw that twirl around like 3 times. I don't think there's any. I'm not going to get that fish or that fly. Dang it. Ah. I got the whole stick. Oh my God. There was no way that fly was coming off. I cannot believe 4X tippet. I was able to retrieve it. What a mess though. Yeah, that's a sign. Almost lost that fly. That was the last one I had, and I caught a lot of fish on that thing, so I'm happy to have gotten it back. And what are you still doing here? Go fishing. All right, everybody. See ya. Fish on.